Good morning, students. In the previous video, we learned about our country India. India is a big country and has a variety of landforms. As it is a vast country, it is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. Let's see those 28 states and capitals one by one. Students, you can refer the textbook page number 2. See carefully. The grey shaded part is of Ladakh and yellow shaded part is of Jammu and Kashmir. Now both are included in union territories. The state Himachal Pradesh is located in the northern region of India. It is the home of 33 wildlife sanctuaries and 2 national parks. Shimla, its capital, is one of the most beautiful hill stations located in Himachal Pradesh. The state Punjab is bordered by Pakistan. The famous city Amritsar, known for Golden Temple, is in Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Uttarakhand or Uttaranchal is known for its natural beauty of the Himalayas. It is referred as land of gods due to the many Hindu temples. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Dehradun is known for its awesome school education. Rajasthan is the largest Indian state by area and the 7th largest by population. It is famous for forts, deserts, temples, Havelis, and so on. The capital of Rajasthan, Jaipur, is known as Pink City. The state Haryana is famous for its rich food, milk, and curd. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Uttar Pradesh. This is the most populous and 4th largest state of India. One of the famous monument, Taj Mahal, is located in Uttar Pradesh in the Agra district. Its capital Lucknow, known as the city of Nawabs. The state Bihar is richest in terms of traditions and ancient history. Its capital Patna was one of the famous city in ancient India. The 10th Sikh Guru Gobind Singh was born here. Gujarat is the 5th largest Indian state by area. Its capital is Gandhinagar. The famous temple Akshardham is located in Gandhinagar. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the 2nd largest Indian state by area. It is rich in mineral resources. Its capital is Bhopal. Apart from its natural beauty, Bhopal is also famous for its mosque. Here, mosque means a place where Muslims pray. Chhattisgarh. The state has many ancient monuments, carved temples, and waterfalls. Its capital is Raipur. Raipur is the home to one of the biggest and largest steel markets in India. Jharkhand. The state Jharkhand is known as the land of forest and also famous for its waterfalls, hills, and holy places. The capital of Jharkhand, Ranchi, is known as the city of waterfalls because of its numerous waterfalls. West Bengal. West Bengal is known as the city of joy. Its capital, Kolkata, is India's 4th most populous state and known as the cultural capital of India. The state Maharashtra, where we live. There are numerous forts associated with the life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The most populous city in India, Mumbai, is the capital of Maharashtra. Odisha is one of the major tourism sectors of India with various tourism attractions like temples, beaches, monuments, etc. Its capital Bhubaneswar, popularly known as the Temple City of India. Telangana. Telangana is known for diverse languages and cultures. The famous monument Charminar is located in the capital city of Telangana, that is Hyderabad. Karnataka. Kannada, one of the classical languages of India, is the most widely spoken language here. Its capital, Bengaluru, is famous for the Silicon Valley of India. Goa. The state Goa is famous for beautiful beaches, water sports, and so on. It is India's smallest state by area and the fourth smallest state by population. Its capital is Panji, or we can also say Panjim. Andhra Pradesh. The state is known for its mining industry as the site of Kohinoor and because of its large natural diamond supplies. Its capital Amravati is located on the banks of river Krishna. Kerala. Malayalam is the most widely spoken language here. It is also the official language of this state. Its capital is Tiruvananthapuram. It is a major tourist center known for the Padmanabha Swami temple. Tamil Nadu. Its official language is Tamil, which is one of the longest surviving classical languages in the world. Its capital and largest city is Chennai. Next is Sikkim. Sikkim is the least populous and the second smallest among the Indian states. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Gangtok is famous for handicrafts and Tibetan carpets, which reflect the art and culture of that city. The state Assam. It is known for Assam tea and Assam silk. It is home to the one-horned Indian rhinoceros. Its capital is Dispur. Meghalaya. It is a hilly state in northeastern India. The name Meghalaya means the abode of clouds in Sanskrit, means the home of clouds. Its capital is Shillong. Shillong is home to several waterfalls, parks, rolling hills, and also known as the Scotland of the East. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest of the seven sister states of Northeast India. Its capital, Itanagar, is one of the most famous tourist attractions. Nagaland. It is not only famous for its mesmerizing scenic beauty but is also renowned for some important festivities as well. The capital of Nagaland, Kohima, is known for beautiful sights. A nature's gift to India, it's surrounded by 9 hills with an oval-shaped valley at the center. Its capital, Imphal, is well known for its largest freshwater lake in the country. Mizoram. Mizoram is the fifth smallest state of India and is a land of rolling hills, valleys, rivers, and lakes. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Next is Tripura. There are several temples in Tripura which are famous all across the state and the country. It is also famous for beautiful hills and valleys. Its capital, Agartala, is also noted for its bamboo handicrafts and local hand-woven shawls and textiles. Students, hope you have listened the video carefully and understood all the 28 states and their capitals. Listen to the video again and in your fair notebook you make two columns, one of states and one of capitals, and write down all the name of the 28 states. And on political map of India, mark all the states and their capitals. In the next video, we will learn about the India's 9 union territories. Thank you, students.